Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will study solution of simultaneous linear equations by two different methods. By matrix method. The following steps need to be taken up in turn for solving the simultaneous equations involving up to three variables. Present the given equations in three different matrices. Matrix of coefficient of the variables denoted by A. Matrix of the variables, that is small x, small y, small z, denoted by capital X. And matrix of the constants denoted by B in the same order in which they stand in the equations, that is capital A into capital X is equal to capital B. Multiply A inverse on both the sides of the matrix equation and reduce the same to the following solution equation, that is capital X is equal to capital A raised to the power minus 1 into capital B. Find the capital A raised to power minus 1 in accordance with its procedure detailed earlier. Multiply the matrix capital A raised to the power minus 1 with the matrix B and present the matrix of the product capital A raised to the power minus 1 into B. Thus we will obtain the matrix of the variable capital X. Locate the value of each variable in the matrix capital X with reference to the corresponding element in the product matrix. By Cramer's rule. In linear algebra, Cramer's rule is an explicit formula for the solution of a system of linear equations and is valid whenever the system has a unique solution. French mathematician Gabriel Cramer discussed the method in his publication on the rule for the arbitrary number of unknowns in the year 1750. System of equations of two unknown values. Theorem 1. Cramer's rule. The solution of the system of equations a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is given by x is equal to dx divided by d and y is equal to dy divided by d. Here d is equal to determinant of the coefficients of x and y. System of equations of three unknown values. Theorem 2. Cramer's rule. The solution of the system of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3 is given by x is equal to dx divided by d, y is equal to dy divided by d, and z is equal to dz divided by d. D is equal to determinant of coefficients of x, y, and z. So, in this lecture, we have covered study solution of simultaneous linear equation by matrix algebra and Cramer's method. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.